There would not be any other word to describe beauty better than the word nature. It seems like a lady's face without any makeup. The beauty comes smoothly and gently. It is not easy to notice. I can still remember those days in my hometown, Nanjing, before I came to study overseas. Every time I throw my thoughts back to those days, I can still hear the leaves, smell the fresh air in the forest, feel the wind which comes from Sanmu Lake. Every piece of the memory is sweet and always come into my dreams. We drove the car to the forest. Every leaf says hello to us, and the fresh air comes with us. We sing, we dance with our friends who live in the forest, tangible or intangible, it didn't matter. Then we walked on the path which was made of golden leaves. We walked as slow as we could to listen to the sound we made. We usually used a pot of boiling water to make fresh Chinese tea and pour it into a small cup. Then we let it slowly drift into our mouths. The aroma stays for a very long time. After the tea, we always drive to Sangmu Lake and lay in the car, close our eyes and enjoyed the mildness of that sunshine that was bestowed upon us. There were no artificial elements, no working or studying pressures that come with that sweet memory. Every moment was pure and peaceful. That was the first time in my life that I could clearly feel and touch the beauty of nature.